Hello, I'm Szilard Szell, a DevOps transformation lead from Code. I'm so excited to get back to the SEETEST 2023 conference, this time in Bucharest. I invite you to join my hands-on tutorial, where we will work in teams of 5, 6, using 2 card games and sticky notes to build a continuous quality assurance strategy around the CI/CD pipeline. By the end of this tutorial, you should be able to understand the benefits and the major steps of a CI/CD pipeline and how to optimize that for feedback cycle time, identifying and prioritizing the most important quality aspects, characteristics of your product, and making their testing transparent within the pipeline, and work out a lot of other aspects of the QA strategy to communicate it to your stakeholders. Online participants will also be able to play with the digital version of the pipeline game card. Let's learn together. See you all in Bucharest.